Hey guys, I'm Rob Zip, and welcome to another episode of The Most Epic Adventures. On this episode, I am taking a flight to St. Louis from Houston. I had American Airlines credit I had to use, and they don't have any direct flights out of Houston typically, just to Dallas. Dallas is their main hub. So I'm flying to Dallas, and then I'm flying to St. Louis. And they have a thing called the Admirals Club. And they sent me a thing. It's like $600 for the whole year. You can go in anytime, or you can get a one-day pass for $59. Since I'm going on a couple of legs, I thought it would be worth it. So here I am in George Bush Intercontinental Airport, Houston. It's right down the street from my house. So I got to the airport early so I can enjoy this lounge and not be with all of the airport traffic. I will also be able to go to the one in DFW when I get there. I'm going to have a couple hour layover there. When I get to St. Louis, their lounge will be closed. So I'm just going to show you what it's like in the Houston one and the Dallas one. And at the end, I'll give you my thoughts on whether or not it was worth it. So stick around with me on this episode of The Most Epic Adventures. So I did get here a little too late for the breakfast. I tried to get here early enough for breakfast, but it didn't happen. So the snacks look really good. And when I did walk in, the person who let me in did tell me that this is one of their smaller lounges. And since DFW is their hub, I'm expecting that to be freaking huge. But this is nice. I can sit here, relax, watch the planes go by out there. There's no people crowded around me. The chair's comfortable. There's outlets everywhere. I can plug in if I needed to. It's nice. I like it so far. We're in the Admirals Club. There's a bar if you want to get drunk in the morning. Here I am in the bathroom. They've got fancy soap and lotion. Make sure to wash your hands. Here's the toilet. You've got your Coca-Cola Freestyle, all your coffee you'd want, all the different things you could stir into your coffee, different teas, some Rice Krispie treats, cookies, some bananas and oranges, and it looks like bagel chips, and snack mix and jelly beans, red roasted pepper with Gouda cheese bisque. Oh my goodness. So this is actually, I guess, the lunchtime. Corn salad, hummus, cheese and grapes, crazy salad. And here's some tea and some more. Let's see that. Got the private coves, and you've got the bench if you're rather sit on the bench. I'm gonna sit here and there's a menu. Alright, this is okay. They said this was a small one. And I'm going to DFW next. If you see by the menu, they do have actual food that you have to pay for it. And not all the drinks are free, but they do have free alcoholic drinks if you want that. So we'll see how the one in DFW is. I don't know if I can deal with just eating snacks all day. I'm gonna have to order some food, but we'll see how it goes. Let's go get on the plane. So I am on the flight from Houston to Dallas, and I thought I had a window seat. There's no window. This should be a short flight. I think it's like less than an hour. It's gonna take us more time to get up and then down than it is gonna go across. So have like a couple hours at the Admiral Club there. Oh man, never said there's a window seat with no window. Across the way there is a window. Yep. It's freaking weird. Whatever. Too bad my phone charger doesn't use a USB. Kid sitting next to me was coughing the whole time. He had his mask on most of the time, but not all the time. So if I get COVID, thankfully I'm vaccinated. We're in Terminal C and I gotta go to Terminal A. So let's see what this airport is like. Monorail. Here we are, the DFW Terminal A Admirals Club. This should be a lot bigger than the one in Houston. All right, here we go. Oh, we gotta take an elevator up. Admirals Club and the concourse. Is this where we're at? Here's the whole world. There's all the furniture. Some area with the food. Let's see what they have over here. See if this is the same stuff. Got your coffee and tea. Yep. Ooh, we got some different kind of cheese. Pesto hummus, that's a little different. Got some peanut butter, some falafel there. Our area over here. Alright guys, time to leave the Admirals Club and let's go to St. Louis. It was pretty nice. If you're not flying a lot, I wouldn't suggest getting the yearly pass. But it's okay if you just do this. We have a couple of stops. All right, so now we're in the bustle of the actual airport with all of the proletariat. I gotta find my gate. The plane doesn't leave for a little bit, but I'm not sure how long it's gonna take to get where I'm going. Anyway, yeah, I had some tasty food. They were mostly snacks, not full meals. But I'll be okay until I get to St. Louis. Oh, goodness. Look at this. I could have hung out at the Dallas Cowboys Club instead. Oh, man, I missed out on that one. Look at all these happy Cowboys fans. Hey. When it comes to Texas football, though, the Cowboys are going to be better than the Texans. That's for damn sure. I'll be surprised if the Texans win any game this year. Anyway, yeah. So my review is it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I wouldn't get for a one-day pass, it's helped the day go by, and I was pretty much by myself. I was comfortable. There was Wi-Fi and outlets to charge my devices and tasty snacks. So, not bad. Now, will I do it on the way back? No. I'm having a layover in Charlotte, on the way back. And I think I'm gonna look for some Bojangles. Look at this. Garrett popcorn. I thought this was only in Chicago. What? Don't have any room to take any of that with me. But anyway, that's what it's like to go to the American Airlines Admiral Club in Houston and in Dallas. Thanks for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. My name is Rob Zip. Remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures.